Do you want to learn solutions-focused brief therapy? Maybe you're a mental health professional looking to learn a new skill, maybe you're a psychology student looking to expand your knowledge, or maybe you're just an active learner looking to apply it personally. Well, if so, this is the course for you. We'll learn how to help people find solutions to their problems by building on their existing strengths so that we can do it much faster than traditional therapy. This course will explain all of the fundamentals of solution-focused brief therapy. We'll look at the philosophy, we'll look at how to do it step by step, techniques including the miracle question, how to build the therapeutic alliance, the relationship between therapist and client, what it's like to work as a therapist, and more. We'll cover all of this through videos, through reading, through exercises, downloads, and quizzes, so whatever your learning style, there will be something in this course for you. I'm Chris, I'm a psychologist and member of the British Psychological Society. I'm the author of the book Do More, Worry Less, and I run a private psychotherapy clinic here in Leeds. I've already had tens of thousands of students come through my courses, and I would love for you to be the next one. So if all of that sounds good, then hit the buy now button to get started. I can't wait to see you inside the course.